Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel order on Little Caesars on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Little Caesars app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the bottom left of your screen. Then tap on orders. Find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. There is something very important to know. Most Little Caesars orders cannot be cancelled online once they are placed. This is because the store usually starts making the pizza right away. If you don't see an cancel order button, that means the order cannot be cancelled online. If you placed the order just a few minutes ago, your best option is to contact the store directly as fast as possible. On the order details page, look for the store phone number, call the store and politely explain that you just placed the order by mistake and would like to cancel it. If the store agrees to cancel, they will explain how the refund or credit works. And that's it. That's how you cancel order on Little Caesars on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.